Hey guys, it's Ryan with AIinsidertips.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new update from Google where you can now create AI generated images straight inside Google search. This is a brand new feature from Google, and you could not do this up until I believe a couple days ago as of this recording. So you'll see in this example, I said, draw an image of a rocket ship. Now I kept it simple. I could have said whatever I want. And in a matter of seconds here, it gave me 4 AI generated images of rocket ships. Now, text to image AI generation is nothing new, of course. There is the Bing image creator, which has been around now, powered by DALL-E 3. This has been around for months, I believe. And then you also have Night Cafe. Canva just introduced, an AI text to image tool. You must be a member of Canva Pro for this. I have a whole video dedicated to this new Canva Magic Studio, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But anyways, guys, this is brand new to Google. Now, I must say that you cannot use Google Bard. If you try to ask the same prompt in Google Bard, create me an image of a rocket ship, Google Bard cannot, as of this video, generate AI images. Only in Google search. So now you may be asking, well, how do I get this if you don't already have it, involved already? So in order to get these AI generated images straight inside Google search, you need to open up a Chrome browser and make sure that you were signed in using a Google account. Once you've done that, click New Tab, and then you will see this icon here that says Search Lab. So you have to click that. And then you'll see a screen that looks like this. So you'll notice there's 4 options here: add to sheets, code tips, SGE while browsing, SGE generative AI and search. You must make sure that both of these are checked. You'll have to say I agree for each one of these, but SGE stands for Google Search Generative Experience. This is a new feature Google rolled out several months ago. So it's nothing new per se, but the fact that you can now generate AI images straight from Google search is extremely new. So you have to make sure that these are both checked. Then if you come to a new tab here, and I'll type in, google.com, I'll just say in this example, draw me an image of a puppy. And then once I do that, you'll see it says generating, and we'll just give it, a few seconds here on the fly. And here you go. So it says, draw me an image of a puppy, and it gave you 4 AI generated images of puppies. Now, if you don't like what you get or you want to compare and contrast, I've always been a fan of the Bing image creator, and now up until, a couple weeks ago, it is powered by DALL-E 3, which is OpenAI's enhanced version of DALL-E 2. And again, I have another video dedicated to DALL-E 3 in the Bing image creator if you want to give that a look. But that's it, guys. Just wanted to bring you this important video about a new update within Google Search where you can now generate AI images right inside of search results. Again, this is Ryan with AI Insider Tips. I appreciate you watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Guys, I look forward to creating more AI content like this in the near future.